Hello and welcome to Mile High Custom Food Trucks. It's a wet, snowy and rainy day here in Denver, but we are shipping this beautiful poke trailer to Orange County, California. This is of course built per Orange County's rules and is going to pass inspection in Orange County. And as with every other food truck that we build, we warranty that your truck or trailer that we build for you would pass inspection. This is a beautiful wrap that's been done on it. It's a 14-foot trailer, 7 foot tall and 7 foot wide. Got a 5-foot self-closing window on the side and AC with heat on top, a GE AC with heat. It's a double axle V-nose trailer with seamless construction. That is, it's built without rivets and the wrap would not bubble around and break over time. Also looks really pretty. On the side is the generator box that houses a Cummins generator. As with all trucks and trailers that we build, that generator is accessible from this side with rails, so you can just pull it out and lock it. Let's go inside and see its many features. Right in the front is a 3-compartment sink and hand wash sink. Of course, it comes equipped with soap and towel dispensers. The walls are FRP, but the cooking wall here is stainless steel as is required by code. The floor is aluminum diamond plate and it houses a really large double door refrigerator and a sandwich prep here. On this side is the self-closing window and a table. All the wiring is of course housed in these electrical panels with individual breakers for every single piece of equipment, as with every truck that we build. AC controls and LED lights inside and outside, of course. Every equipment is bolted down to the floor. Orange County, California, as with many other counties in California, also require that the floor, where the floor meets the walls, they're called coves here, they need to be stainless as well, which they are, of course. The equipment are mounted to the floor with these custom legs and they are bolted down with bowls and washers. Inside the box here is water heater, pump and the water tanks, which are mounted firmly to the floor. It also comes with ball valves for emptying out the tanks should the temperature fall below freezing. One more look at the inside of this beautiful trailer. The walls inside, behind the stainless and the FRP, have 1 inch of insulation and 1/2 inch of plywood. So the inside is nice and toasty, and since this is equipped with air conditioner, it remains a very comfortable workplace. Those are the outside LED lights. This is where you connect this trailer to shore power, if and when that is accessible. And that's the water inlet. And that's the water drain. If you have any questions, or if you would like us to build you a truck or trailer, do contact us via email at info@malhai custom food trucks or through our website. Have a good one.